Hi everyone, Zach here with Markham Technologies. In this video we're just going to show you some basic sonar settings for your RT9. So the RT9 sonar is going to function pretty much like our digital series if you're familiar with that. The only difference is how you access some of the settings. So there's not going to be buttons readily accessible at the bottom underneath the screen. You actually have to go in and access the sonar menu. So first you go up and hit settings, and then you hit Markham Sonar. And then you have all your options that are available to change settings. So we have our range mode here, where we can change our range mode between auto, dynamic, manual, and manual dynamic. We can also change the range and the dynamic range if we're in a dynamic mode to set the bottom. If we go to zoom, we have auto and manual zoom, where we can set our zoom window and also set the zoom depth in manual mode. Our sensitivity is going to just be able to change our sensitivity just like we would with a button or a knob on the flasher. We have interference rejection, we have our 20 and 8-degree cone selection, target adjust, bottom enhance, and then our color palette, which is like our digital systems, where we will have 2 3-color palettes, a 6-color, and grayscale. So choose what you would like best. If we get out of that, you notice we still have the flasher and the graph up. If I wanted to change one of these, I just have to hit the corresponding panel that it's in and then hit the sonar again, and I'm going to go ahead and change it to vertical. So now I've gained more screen for my graph and I have vertical. If I wanted to have a third panel in there, I'd first have to set it up to have 3 panels rather than 2. So I'd hit settings, I'd go into general, and then I'd turn that panel over to 3, and then I recently had the vertical zoom on there, so it put that back. And if I wanted to change that, I'd simply hit that third panel and I'd select which function I wanted to use. So that's just a basic overview of your sonar settings. If you have any questions, go ahead and go to www.markhamtech.com. Thanks.